cutter has gear tables, so the paper slides easy. Got a foot pedal to bring the clamp down manually. Got the electronic back gauge controller, so I can just move the back gauge manually, or I can just tell it to go to a dimension like 20 inches. So I punch in 20, let's say 20 and a half, 0.5, then I hit send. So it'll just go to that dimension, so you can cut there. We have inches or metric or English. So there's millimeters. That's fractional, if you like using fractional, or decimal, which is what most people use. Over here you have your air button, so we can turn the air on and off. And also when you're in a job, I'll show you. I'll just pick a job. So over here you can set like no cutting. For instance, just you want to clamp only, maybe a load position or clamping a perf out of a sheet or something. That's a push out. You can turn your air on and off. You can program it. You can program a turnaround. You can program the clamp pressure. So we can set that electronically on this machine. So right here, if I hit this button, I can lower my clamp pressure. Say I'm cutting something soft, or I can raise my clamp pressure. So it's done on the screen. You don't have to go underneath the machine and do that. You have your job screen, new job, open a job, just like a computer. Your maintenance screen, you can set up different parameters for the machine. This is the knife cycles for how many knife cycles you want to set it. Like this guy had it set for 5,000, he made 8,000, so he needs to change the knife. Okay, lubrication cycles, how many cycles you want to make for lubrication. And what the machine will do is remind you to do these things. Your adjust screen, this is how you set that electronic clamp pressure to be calibrated. This is something you would not mess with as an operator, but if it needs worked on, you can do that. Knife adjust, that just programs the machine to stay down so you can adjust the knife and then bring the knife back up. And then you got your languages that you can run. English is what we're using here. Diagnostics, that's for service. We can see, like if we're having a problem with something, like I'm hitting the left cut button, you see it light up. I can hit the right cut button. Sorry, I got my cursor in the way. So if we were diagnosing maybe a bad switch or something, we could do that in this screen. We can have error codes. We can see what the errors were. In this case, it was number outside dimension. That would be like trying to punch in 0 and telling it to go there. It's telling you I can't. There's no such thing. Okay. And then you have a help screen, so you can learn, you know, how to do things. So you can just go through these screens and like how to program a job. It'll tell you what to do to program the job. You know, if you don't have the manual handy in your hand, okay? So if I wanted to program a new job, I could just open the screen up, name the job. So like in this job, when we want to run it, we can pull up a job, open a job, and there's your jobs that the customer, whoever owned this machine, named. So when I pull up this job, hit enter. Now I'm running the HC job, and the guy made some notes about the job. Okay, and then here you have a floppy drive, so you can download programs and save them to disk and upload them later if you wanted to come back and find that job.